A computer's a marked price of 3,600. Sorry, recommended retail price 3,600. What's the total cost?
I'm listening, so
I really want you guys to be able to not have to say, oh, I don't know how to do this question because you never showed us, right? I want to be able to show you. And they give you descriptions, the terms, okay? So the terms say, this is my total cost. Help me out so I don't have to keep on looking down. $42.92. How frequently do we have to pay? Per what?
wait.
Per week. So how many weeks are there in a year? 52. How many years? 2.
Can you just do that times?
Okay, got it? Right? So you can multiply just by 104. That'll give you a number. Someone's already worked it out. Who's got it?
4,004. Oh wait, sorry.
4,463.68.
It's not so.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is my bad. I'm reading
That's it.
That's fine. Okay, stay with me. So there you go. That's the total cost of the computer on those terms. Now then they hold your hand through this next part. How much interest has been paid? That's the difference between this, what we actually paid, and what it's worth. Right? So the interest
Is plus how much?
is this
Minus that.
minus this. The total minus the retail. In fact, I might even write that. Total minus retail. Okay? So that's 4,463.68
800.
minus. And that'll give us the 800 and something, right? Okay. Now what is this sum? This is how much extra we had to pay for the privilege of paying slowly, right? For the privilege of getting the computer right away, even though we hadn't paid off the whole lot. Okay. So now part C, it says how much interest is paid per year, because you know when we're doing borrowing and loans, interest is always a rate per annum, right? It's not the total over the whole time; it's per annum. So they say interest. Sorry. And I'm even going to write that per annum. Okay, that's per year, right? There were 2 years that I divide this by. So it's going to be 863.68 divided by however many number of years. If I'd paid over 5 years, I'd divide by 5. If I paid over 10 years, I'd divide by 10. You get the idea. Okay? What's it going to be? It's 400 and I wrote this down before.
131.
84. Okay, there you go. Now that's interest per annum as a dollar value, right? Per year. Annum means like annual? Like year? Yeah, good. Okay. What's the percentage interest rate? Percentage interest rate. So can you see, I went total, then interest, which involves the total, interest per annum. Now I'm going to go percentage
It's the
interest
per annum divided by 3,000.
Okay, yeah. So you take this, which is how much they charge me every year. 431.84. And what I divide by is the original costs. The recommended retail. So you divide by 3,600, and then I think after you round off, you get 0.1199 blah 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 12%.